Good morning, friends. Today I am going to discuss preparation methods and properties of oil of vitriol. Oil of vitriol chemical formula is H2SO4. This is the chemical formula for oil of vitriol. This is one of the oxo acid of sulfur. This molecule belongs to Rig type of acid of sulfur. This is a strong acid than compared to other Rig acids related to 16th group elements. Okay, this is strong acid. The point is based on this molecule. Another name is king of the acid. King of the acid. This is strongest acid than compared to others. Due to that point is based on this acid is known as king of the acid. And next one, this molecule another name is oil of vitriol. Oil of vitriol. Okay. First, I am going to discuss preparation method of oil of vitriol. Preparation method of oil of vitriol. So, first one, sulfur, amorphous form of sulfur. This is also solid state of sulfur, but amorphous solid. Amorphous form of sulfur react with oxygen to produce sulfur dioxide gas. To produce sulfur dioxide gas. And next one, iron sulfide, FeS2. Iron sulfide react with oxygen in the ratio of 4:11, means 4 moles of iron sulfide react with 11 moles of oxygen to produce 2 moles of hematite like Fe2O3 and 8 moles of sulfur dioxide gaseous molecule is eliminated. 8 moles of sulfur dioxide gaseous molecule is eliminated. This is another preparation method for sulfur dioxide. First, to prepare sulfur dioxide gas by using different methods. Simple method, sulfur react with oxygen to produce sulfur dioxide. And iron sulfide react with oxygen in the ratio of 4:11 to produce hematite and sulfur dioxide. And a final preparation method, this is also very simple preparation method, sulfite ion. Sulfite ion. Sulfite ion is indicated as SO3 minus 2. Sulfite ion react with acid. Sulfite ion react with acid to produce sulfur dioxide gas and eliminated water molecules. So these are the best preparation method for formation of sulfur dioxide. Okay. So this sulfur dioxide is unstable molecule. The sulfur dioxide is unstable molecule. Why? What is the reason? So this is a sulfur dioxide structure. Sulfur dioxide structure. In this molecule, central atom is sulfur. Generally, sulfur is 16th group element. In this atom, containing 6 valence electrons, 4 electrons are involved for the formation of oxygen bond, and remaining 2 electrons are involved for the formation of lone pair electron. Okay, in the presence of lone pair electron, the straight structure or linear structure is converted to some bent shape. That point is based on this molecule shape is some bent shape. Okay, this is the bent structure, and at the same time, this is an unstable molecule. This is a unstable molecule. Why? What is the reason? This molecule is unstable molecule due to lone pair electrons are present in it. Due to lone pair electrons are present in it. Okay, this is an unstable gaseous molecule. So these are the preparation method for sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is unstable gaseous molecule. This gaseous molecule react with air. This gaseous molecule react with air. Air contains some amount of oxygen. That oxygen react with sulfur dioxide. Both are gaseous molecule. Sulfur dioxide gas react with oxygen to produce sulfur trioxide. To produce sulfur trioxide. So this is also gas, but this gaseous molecule is a stable gaseous molecule. This is a stable gas. This is a stable gas. This is a stable gas. Okay. So sulfur trioxide is a stable gas. Why? In this structure is observed, central atom is sulfur. Sulfur containing 6 valency electrons. The total 6 valency electrons are involved for the formation of oxygen bonds. Okay. So in this reaction is observed, in this reaction involves other components like catalyst. This reaction rate is increased by using external components. So that components are first one catalyst. In this reaction, catalyst is used vanadium pentoxide. Vanadium pentoxide is act as catalyst in this reaction. Why? What is the reason? Generally in this reaction, normally reaction rate is very slow. By using this component involves in this reaction, so the rate is increases and do not affected by equilibrium state of the given chemical reaction. Only this component involves in this reaction to increase the rate of reaction and do not affected by equilibrium state of the given chemical reaction. So that is the importance of catalyst. In this reaction, vanadium pentoxide is act as best catalyst. And next one, pressure. In generally, high pressures are maintained in this reaction due to number of moles of products are less than compared to number of moles of reactants. That point is based on to maintain high pressure conditions in this reaction. But in this experiment, some acidic towers are there. In the presence of acidic towers, high pressure conditions are do not maintain. Due to high pressure conditions are maintained to collapse the acidic towers. That is the main drawback. So that point is based on in this reaction to maintain the normal pressure conditions due to 1 atmosphere to 2 atmosphere pressure. So 1 atmosphere pressure to 2 atmosphere pressure is a suitable pressure. This is a optimum pressure. Okay. So generally in this reaction to maintain high pressure conditions, but that conditions are unfit. High pressure conditions are unfit in this process due to in this experiment some acidic towers are there. In the presence of acidic towers, low pressure conditions means normal pressure conditions are maintained. So another way to maintain high pressure conditions, that acidic towers are collapsed. That is the main reason. Okay. So in this experiment, acidic towers are present in it. That point is based in this experiment to maintain normal pressure like 1 atmosphere to 2 atmosphere pressure. And next one, temperature. temperature. In generally in this reaction, like this is exothermic reaction, in this reaction maintained low temperature conditions. Low temperature conditions are suitable in this reaction due to this is exothermic reaction. But in this reaction maintain low temperature conditions, the kinetic energy of the reactant molecules are less, and then automatically reaction rate is very slow. That point is based on to increase the temperature. To increase the temperature, the kinetic energy of the reactant molecules are also increased. Automatically reaction rate is also increases. So that concept is based on in this reaction temperature is maintained 725 Kelvin to 775 Kelvin. This is the optimum temperature in this reaction. So this method is known as contact method. This preparation method is contact preparation method. Contact preparation method. Contact preparation method. Okay. So this is the optimum conditions in this reaction. First catalyst is suitable catalyst in this reaction is vanadium pentoxide, and optimum pressure is 1 atmosphere to 2 atmosphere pressure, and optimum temperature is 725 kelvins to 775 kelvins. And next one, the sulfur trioxide react with few amount of sulfuric acid to produce oleum, means disulfuric acid, oleum, H2S2O7. This is disulfuric acid, or this molecule is known as oleum. This molecule is known as oleum, or the oleum another name is concentrated or fuming sulfuric acid. This molecule another name is fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming sulfuric acid. Okay, this fuming sulfuric acid like H2S2O7 fuming sulfuric acid react with water to produce sulfuric acid molecules, to produce dilute sulfuric acid molecules. Near about 2 moles of sulfuric acid molecules. This is dilute sulfuric molecules are produced. Dilute sulfuric acid. This is concentrated. The concentrated sulfuric acid like oleum or fuming sulfuric acid. This fuming sulfuric acid react with water to produce dilute sulfuric acid. So this acid name is oil of vitriol. This acid name is oil of vitriol or sulfuric acid or king of the acid. This is the preparation method for sulfuric acid. Okay. The sulfuric acid is colorless molecules, just one type of oily liquid. This is just some oily liquid. So this is highly concentrated acid or a king of the acid. The fuming sulfuric acid exists gaseous state in nature. The dilute sulfuric acid exists liquid state in nature. This is the preparation methods and some properties of sulfuric acid. And the structure of sulfuric acid is observed. Structure of sulfuric acid. So the sulfuric acid central atom is sulfur, and 2 hydrogens and 2 OH bonds are bind with one another to produce 2 hydroxyl bonds. One sulfur, the central atom sulfur containing 2 hydroxyl bonds, and remaining 2 oxygen atoms are formed, double bond bind with the double bonded oxygen atom. This is the structure of sulfuric acid. And oxidation state of central atom in this given molecule like sulfur. So the sulfuric acid central atom oxidation state is H2SO4. This is the chemical formula for sulfuric acid. central atom is sulfur, it is denoted as X, and two hydrogen atoms are present in it, each hydrogen containing +1 oxidation state. So 2 into +1 plus 4 into -2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. The oxidation state of central atom means sulfur is equal to 6. Okay. Next, I am going to discuss some of the chemical properties of sulfur. Chemical properties of sulfur. Chemical properties of sulfur. Chemical properties of sulfur. Okay. Sorry, sulfuric acid. Chemical properties of sulfuric acid. So, in this sulfuric acid, react with, means the concentrated sulfuric acid react with the carbohydrates to produce charcoal. Carbohydrates means the given molecule containing only carbon and hydrogen, that is known as carbohydrates. For example, glucose is one of the carbohydrate molecule. Glucose, it is monosaccharide C6H12O6 react with the concentrated sulfuric acid to produce charcoal, means pure carbon 6C plus 6H2O molecules are eliminated. This is charcoal. This is charcoal. In this reaction is observed, glucose react with the concentrated sulfuric acid to produce charcoal. In this reaction, clearly observed, the carbohydrates react with the concentrated sulfuric acid. That reaction liberated charring smell. This charcoal smell is similar to charring smell. Okay. And next one, sucrose C11H22O11. This is a chemical formula of sucrose. Sucrose react with concentrated sulfuric acid to produce charcoal and eliminated 11 moles of water molecules. This is also charcoal. And next one, copper is a metal. Copper metal react with concentrated sulfuric acid. Copper metal react with concentrated sulfuric acid to produce copper sulfate, and water molecules are eliminated. Some water molecules are eliminated. For example, 1 mole of copper react with 2 moles of sulfuric acid to produce copper sulfate, and sulfur dioxide gaseous molecule is eliminated, and automatically 2 moles of water molecule is also eliminated. This is a concentrated sulfuric acid react with water. And next one, in the charcoal, like pure carbon react with concentrated sulfuric acid in the ratio of 1:2. This carbon is converted to carbon dioxide, and 2 moles of sulfur dioxide gaseous molecule is eliminated, and also liberated 2 moles of water. This point is based on the sulfuric acid is act as oxidizing agent. It is act as oxidizing agent. Due to carbon react with concentrated sulfuric acid, it is converted to carbon dioxide. That point is based on this molecule is act as best oxidizing agent. These are the chemical properties of sulfuric acid. Once again repeated in these properties, like chemical properties of sulfuric acid. First one, carbohydrates like glucose or sucrose. glucose and sucrose. These are two molecules are related to or belongs to carbohydrates. These are react with concentrated sulfuric acid. These are converted to charcoals. These are converted to pure carbons and liberated water molecules. Next one, copper is metal. Copper react with concentrated sulfuric acid in the ratio of 1:2. The copper is converted to copper sulfate and liberated sulfur dioxide gaseous molecules and also liberated water molecule. Next one, carbon. Carbon react with concentrated sulfuric acid in the ratio of 1:2. The carbon is converted to carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide gaseous molecules are liberated and a few amount of water molecules are also liberated. Okay, this is a explanation for introduction to sulfuric acid and preparation method for sulfuric acid, structure and oxidation state of sulfuric acid, some of the